Couleur métier naturel.
I like it.
Thank you.
Chinois qui parle
Mm-hmm.
It's better than the glue. You're not even
Really? Oh, all
And
right.
I'm gonna let you keep it so you
Okay.
can just have everybody.
All right. Thank you. It's one thing I hate and
I
afraid
know you
of.
hate glue. You gonna go
I
down.
hate the eyelashes and the glue. Oh. D,
yeah.
what about love?
Well, après quelques barrières là dans le pays,
It's so
you know,
amazing.
je veux c'est
I just started selling this.
Je dis I keep up doing island show.
manager Moschino, so
Yeah.
équipe aussi DJ Bullet, so.
So équipe impossible à soir dans hôtel island show. All Wi-Fi with
DJ Bullet too. Yes, tout le monde blanc, okay.
So équipe up nous impossible DJ Bullet under hôtel island show à soir. Wow. Ooh, regardez, je vais mettre eyelashes dans Timon. She's amazing, I told y'all. So now West Palm Beach, contact her. Dese Blondic Boyo. Oh my gosh. Comment ti noir en bas yeux, no dem, non? Yeah, nous pas de noir en bas yeux. Elle était vraiment simple, but je dis qu'on est à filmer dehors. But this is so pretty without the black. Ça, c'est dit. Ça, mettez crayon en bas noir, en bas yeux.
Well, you don't have to. Well,
You like it like that?
Yeah, it's nice.
Or we can add lashes
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. Maybe on the eyelashes, yeah. Perfect. I love those eyelashes. They simple. Last night I was so worried about the ones you put for me, and my daughter was like, "I love them. They're beautiful. I love them."
She's young. She's just like me. Worst.
I was like, "Oh my God, no." Et puis, il fait make-up bien rapide. 30-35 minutes. 30-35 minutes, guys, okay? Téléphone, c'est 561 667 4060. Encore une fois, 561 667 4060. So, sous dans West Palm Beach, dans Florida, dans Miami, quelque soit côté où t'as la donne ou capable l'elle pour le faire make-up pour. She's amazing. She's very good. D.
Yeah.
Well, go take care of your business. I'll talk to you as soon as I'm done.
Okay, good. Bye.
All right, bye.
Hey.